Good morning. I wanted to vlog today because I have a very busy day today, and some people have told me that they wanted to see a vlog, so that's what I'm going to try to attempt today. I don't know how it's going to go, but we're going to just try. I have a lot of things that I need to get done today. Right now I'm at home with my daughter, and it is, I think, like 10 minutes to 11, so I did start a little late, but I have been doing schoolwork with her for about an hour and a half now, so we're taking a break, and I'm going to get some laundry done. I want to record a video today, and I have some shopping to do, some grocery shopping, getting a little thing, order some things off of line, and I want to see how this goes with the vlogging. So we will see, but here we go. This is what I'm wearing today. It's nothing unusual. I always have tights on. I decided to do the brown tights because I have this green tank top. So yeah, we are about to get some laundry started. Okay, so I'm about to separate my clothes and start washing my clothes and then fold the children's clothes. So hopefully that almost 11:30, so I'm going to go ahead and fix me some breakfast. Water every day. Alright, so now It is 1:14 and I'm making my baby girl some quesadillas for lunch. Karate class. Yesterday we were late, so I'm trying not to be late this time. They have to be in class at 5:45, so it is 5:13 and we have to go. So meet you in the car. So we are on our way to karate class. Like I was saying earlier, yesterday we were late, so it's kind of always a rush thing when we're going to karate, because it's like in the middle of the day in the midst of 5 o'clock traffic. So we should be there on time today. That's what this girl decides to come to karate class in. Some snow boots. Because that's what they're called. We are done with karate, and we are gonna go, we need to go to the store because I need to buy something to cook for tonight. Come this way, we are not having pizza for dinner. What are we gonna eat tonight?
Pizza.
We're not having pizza.
TVs.
No. No, it's no more burgers. We are going to Aldi to get us some stuff for a cold sandwich. Wrap that I just demolished, I said let me treat myself with a donut. Now this donut that I got from Krispy Kreme yesterday, it's the bomb. I got 2 of each. My daughter ate one earlier today, and she did not tell me how good this was. The strawberry filling is good.
Yeah.
You want to taste it?
You know what? Wait, show them strawberry filling.
Look at that.
You got chicken. Oh no.
You want to taste it? Do you want to taste it? Okay, hurry up so I eat it all.
Yeah. Mom, that's whipped cream? Yeah.
I don't know what kind of cream this is, but it's good.
Oh, that's like strawberry milk.
It's good.
No, Mommy, that really tastes like strawberry milk. Look, I'm not playing my food.
I don't know what this little strawberry cream in inside him. But y'all,
Strawberries.
this is good.
It made strawberries, Mommy. Mom, you're really fine.
Let me show you this. So I'm outside chilling for a little bit. On my phone and check a few emails and messages and see what's going on in the world.
No chip, no eat.
So we're playing alphabet bingo right now. And we are working with these many chips because either they have lost them all or I threw them away because they were all over the place. So that's what we're working with. Second letter G for grapes. You can't flip your card.
Okay, so like I.
Do you get it, Lily?
And it can go this. It can go
Horizontal.
horizontal,
Vertical.
vertical, or
Say it. You said it. Triangle.
triangle. We are doing this. Yeah, I hear you.
Thank you so much for watching and spending the day with us. Basically, it's summer. We're just living life and having a good time. So hey, y'all say bye.
Bye. I miss you. A vlog, whatever they call it.
It's a vlog. All right. Thank you. Good night.